Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best emerging technologies that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Emerging Technologies Law, Societal Constructs for Regulating Changing Technologies, Volume 2 by Victoria Sutton. This book takes a deep dive into the regulatory framework surrounding emerging technologies, with a focus on how societal constructs influence legal decisions. It's priced at $20, making it a solid mid-range option for those interested in the intersection of law and technology. The design is clean and professional, with 4 distinct images highlighting its well-organized structure. While it doesn't include flashy visuals, the text is formatted thoughtfully, making it easy to follow. The book excels in providing clear, concise frameworks for understanding how laws adapt to technology's rapid changes. It's especially great for legal professionals or students looking to grasp foundational concepts in technology law. However, the content is somewhat niche, and readers without a legal background might find it less accessible. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly introduction, this might not be the best choice. But if you're in law, governance, or policy making, this book offers substantial value at a reasonable price. Pros, it's affordable and packed with insights. Cons, it's not beginner-friendly. Coming in at number 4 is The Simply Emerging Technology for Complete Beginners by DK. At just $12.10, this is our budget option, catering to those who want to dip their toes into the world of emerging technologies without breaking the bank. The book is part of DK's renowned Simply series, known for making complex topics accessible. The design is a standout feature here, with 18 high-quality images that provide visual context and break up the text. It's perfect for visual learners who prefer a mix of infographics and concise explanations. The content covers a wide range of emerging technologies in an easy-to-digest format, making it ideal for complete beginners. As the name suggests, this is your go-to guide if you're just starting out and want a broad overview. That said, the book lacks depth for more experienced readers or those seeking advanced insights. It's a high-level overview rather than a deep dive, so professionals may find it too simplistic. Pros, it's affordable, visually engaging, and beginner-friendly. Cons, it's too basic for intermediate or advanced readers. At number 3, we've got Emerging Technologies for Business Professionals, a non-technical guide to the governance and management of disruptive technologies by Nishani Vincent and Amy Igu. Priced at $38.03, this book is tailored for business professionals who want to understand disruptive technologies without diving into the technical details. The book's design is clean and minimalistic, with 2 images provided. While it doesn't have many visuals, the content is where it shines. The authors break down complex topics like blockchain, AI, and IoT into manageable chunks, focusing on their impact on governance and business strategy. It's an excellent resource for managers, executives, or anyone in leadership roles who need to stay ahead of technological trends. One downside is that it's less suitable for those looking for hands-on technical guidance. If you're a developer or engineer, this book might feel too high level. However, for its intended audience, it's a goldmine of practical insights. Pros, it's well-written, practical, and perfect for non-technical readers. Cons, limited visuals, and not suitable for technical deep dives. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is Emerging Technologies Law, Volume 3 by Victoria Sutton. Priced at $40.72, this book is a comprehensive guide to the legal implications of emerging technologies. Sutton is a recognized authority in the field, and this book reflects her expertise. The design is professional, with 5 available images showcasing its structured layout. The content dives deep into specific legal challenges posed by technologies like AI, robotics, and genetic engineering. It's a fantastic resource for legal practitioners, policymakers, and even academics who need an in-depth understanding of tech-related legal issues. However, the advanced content might be overwhelming for casual readers or beginners. It's best suited for those with some prior knowledge of legal or technological concepts. Pros, it's detailed, authoritative, and well-organized. Cons, it's pricey and not beginner-friendly. Finally, at number 1, we have the Emerging Technologies and International Security, Machines, the State, and War, from the Routledge Studies in Conflict, Security, and Technology series. At $44.79, this is the premium option on our list, and it's worth every penny for those interested in the geopolitical and security implications of emerging technologies. The book is edited by a trio of experts: Ruben Steff, Joe Burton, and Simona R. Swery, who bring a wealth of knowledge to the table. The design is straightforward, with 2 images available. While it's not the most visually engaging, the content is unmatched. It delves into how emerging technologies like AI, drones, and cyber tools are reshaping the landscape of international security and warfare. It's a must-read for policymakers, security experts, and academics. However, the niche focus means it's not for everyone. If you're not specifically interested in international security, the content may feel too specialized. Pros, it's incredibly detailed, expertly written, and highly relevant to global security. Cons, it's expensive and has a niche audience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.